Let's view blush from Visco. So this is one of my favorite blush from them. So this is in the shade Do It All. So this is like a white shade blush and it's just so pretty on me. And in these colors, I just like to apply it like this. Okay. Super long lasting din ito. Like literal na naglalush siya and I'm just gonna blend it directly. But yung two shades kasi na nakuha ko is medyo matingkad yun. So for ganun katatingkad na color like this one, I like to put it on my hand first, blend, and tap it on a cheek. So let's just blend this. Also, this works on top of powder. But, of course, you have to blend it first on your hand before ilagay sa cheeks. So I show you how I do it. So first is this liquid blush. Then, I'm gonna set it with powder. We're gonna set it with powder. Both side na din. And also, maganda din tong pang retouch. Kasi you can use, of course, you need to use brush. Kasi this is liquid, so hindi mo siya pwede i-directly kapag may powder ka na. Kasi mag-crease yun or magpapatcha yung powder mo on top, of course. Next shade naman is ito. Naku, mali ata ako ng Always Sassy. Yung kanina pala, mali ako ng Always Sweet, yung isa. And this one is Always Sassy. So it's like a Barbie pink. So kapag ganito kadaming katingkad yung kulay, nilalagay ko siya dyan and blend it on my finger para at least paglagay niya sa powder blush ko, sa blush brush ko, even pa din yung application niya. So, ayan siya. Also, super tagal na sa akin ito. Like, October 2024 pa siya. And super tipid niyang gamitin. So, if naghahanap ka ng affordable kasi lagi ito naka-buy one, take one. Second is long-lasting. Third, sobrang tagal mong magagamit. Lalo na if ikaw yung bablush na girl. Hindi mo to kayang ubusin, te. Hindi mo kayang ubusin ng 6 na buwan itong ganitong klaseng blush nila. So, using lang makeup ko and I will be back. This is the final look. And if you want more of this content, follow me and comment down below. Bye!